So what's going on, people? As you can see, we are back in the Clio again, ready to get out there and get some more work done. So as things stand now, right now we're going to head over to Willpower to get the wheel alignment done on the car finally, because yesterday, I don't know if I've got any footage, I'll put it up now, but yesterday I took the car to work, and straight after work I took the car to a garage to get the track rod and the inner track rod arm, what connects into the steering rack, changed, because that track rod nut was just welded to that track rod, that inner track rod arm. It was just welded to it. It was just no point. It was a lot easier just to go to the other end, which is connected to the steering rack, crack that nut off and just undo the whole thing. So everything's new. So that got changed. So now that that's got changed, the play in that wheel is gone. So now that the play is gone, now the car is in a fit state to be, to get the wheel alignment done. So that's what's going to happen right now. I've jumped in the car. We're going to head over to Willpower and get that sorted. Also, good news. ABS speed sensor is here, and not only is it here, but it looks good. It looks like the correct one. So I don't know if I'll include it in this video. Let's see what happens on that front. Once this is fitted, the wheel alignment is done, guys, this car mechanically will want for nothing more. It will be done. After this, it's just fun, guys. After this, it is driving, and more driving. That's it. And then after that, the cosmetic stuff, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's get to Willpower. Let's go. So what's going on, people? We are now back from Willpower and the car drives spot on, guys. The wheel alignment is now done. It drives beautiful. So shout out to Willpower. Thank you very much for your help. If you notice, I didn't really get to speak to any of them because they're a little bit camera shy down there, but nevertheless, if you need tires, if you need a wheel alignment, if you need anything of that nature, guys, please feel free to go down to Brockley, Willpower in Brockley, and they will sort you out. They know what they're doing. They've been there for years, guys. If you live around the southeast London area, you'll know about them anyway, but they're worth traveling for anyway, guys. Very friendly team down there. Check them out. But anyway, also, guys, I was going to include the footage of fitting the ABS sensor, but to be honest, guys, the video would have turned into like a 20-minute video, which I didn't want to do. I want to try and keep these videos nice, short and sweet for you guys to watch and feel entertained. So what I'll do, what I decided to do is to split the two videos up, and I will make sure that that is all prepped and ready for you guys to enjoy next week. And lastly, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I'm seeing a ton of you guys watching, but you're not subscribing. It takes 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, 1 minute, to just click that subscription button so you can get notified when you click the bell as well, you can get notified whenever I make these videos. So do that for me so I can carry on making these videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care now.